In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use the shortcut web app efficiently. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will do the job smoothly. Once it's open, head over to the shortcut website by typing the address into the URL bar. When you arrive, log into your shortcut account using your credentials. If you're prompted for additional verification, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in. After logging in, give the dashboard a moment to load. This is your command center, where you'll get an overview of what's happening across your work. When it's ready, look to the left sidebar. This is your primary navigation hub and shortcut, and it's where you'll move between My Work, Stories, Roadmap, Reports, and your workspace settings. Click on My Work to see your tasks. Here, you can quickly identify what's assigned to you, what's in progress, and what needs attention next. It's a great place to start your day and stay focused. Next, open stories to manage tasks and workflows across your projects. This is where teams plan, prioritize, and move work through different stages. If you need to create something new, click Create Story. Give your story a clear title and description so others understand the context. Add relevant details like owners, due dates, and labels to keep everything organized and easy to find later. When you need to locate something quickly, use the search bar at the top. Type in keywords, story titles, or project names to jump straight to what you need without digging through lists. To track broader progress, open Roadmap. This view helps you see how initiatives are unfolding over time, understand dependencies, and align your team on what's coming next. It's perfect for planning and status updates. For a deeper look at activity and performance, check Reports. Here, you can review how work is moving, spot trends, and share insights with your team. Use it to celebrate wins and identify areas that might need attention. If you need to adjust how your workspace operates, manage workspace settings from the sidebar. This is where you can review preferences and ensure everything is tailored to how your team works best. As you explore, consider using browser tabs to switch between shortcut pages. Opening key views in separate tabs makes it easier to compare information and multitask without losing your place. Finally, keep your browser updated for better performance. Updates often include speed improvements and fixes that make tools like Shortcut run more reliably. And that's it. You're ready to navigate Shortcut with confidence and get your work done efficiently.